Logitech Pro X mic not working. If your Logitech Pro X microphone isn't working, the most common solutions are to check hardware connections, allow mic access in Windows, and update drivers. So first, go ahead and troubleshoot the hardware. Make sure the headset is firmly plugged into the correct port. Test the mic on another device to confirm it isn't physically damaged. If using the USB sound card, try switching to the 3.5 mm jack to rule out adapter issues. Second is to allow microphone access. So click on Win I on your keyboard to open your Windows settings, and then from here, go ahead and look for the privacy settings. So go ahead and head over into the system settings and then look for privacy in here. If you don't find it in here, head over into the privacy and security and look for that in here. So once you find the privacy settings, head over into the microphone tab and then ensure allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Check that your communication apps have permission. Third is to check your sound settings. So to do that, go ahead and right click on the sound icon at the bottom right of your screen and then select sound settings. And then on the sound settings, go ahead and head over into the sounds tab. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the recording tab. So select Logitech Pro X mic and set it as default device. Adjust input volume so it isn't muted or too low. And the last thing you can do is to go ahead and update your audio drivers. So click on Win X on your keyboard and then select Device Manager. And then once you're on the device manager, go ahead and look for sound, video, and game controllers. And then under that, right click on your audio device and then click on update driver. Outdated drivers are common cause of mic issues. And that is how you can basically fix Logitech Pro X mic not working.